Hey, welcome back to DevTech YouTube channel. This is 2025 and this is my first video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the trading bot that I am using to trade, and it is legit. I've been using it for some time, and in this video, I'm going to show you everything as I talk about this video today. And also, I am going to give you the advantages why I like and why you should also join this trading bot. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Right, welcome back to DevTech YouTube channel. As I said that in today's video, I am going to talk about the trading bot that you must be using to trade in 2025 in case you want to make money online. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about Apollo bot as you're seeing on my screen. So that is the bot that I'm going to talk about in this video. Now, if you're my subscribers, I'm very sure that you watched very many videos that I talked about Apollo bot from 2022, 2023. I talked about it. 2024 and also today 2025. It is the first video in this YouTube channel. Now, if you're new in this YouTube channel, before I continue, please click on the subscription button, like this video, and also share it to all your friends. Then don't forget to comment so that I understand what you want me to make for you in the next coming video. Now, as I say that I'm going to talk about Apollo bot, I am just going to take you through simple things in Apollo bot, how you can create an account, how you can bind, and also I have a full videos where I talked about Apollo bot on how you can create an account up to the last way on how you can start trading with Apollo bot. Then in the previous video also, I am going to leave them all in the pinned comment section of this video, so you can check the first pinned comment and get all those videos so that you can follow what I talked about Apollo bot. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you again how you can create an account with Apollo bot. Now, I have an account here, and in this account, I'm going to first log out from this account so that I can show you how you can create an account quickly in case you don't know. Now, the reason as to why today again I'm talking about Apollo bot, maybe you may ask me that nowadays you're not talking about Royal Q, you're not talking about other investment platforms. Yes, it is true. This is because Apollo bot is a good trading bot that I advise you to use in case you want to trade. Now, with Apollo bot, it is legit. You may be asking me that, is it legit or it is a scam? Apollo bot is real and it is legit. Now, with Apollo bot, you just need to create an account. Then after you add the fuel fee, which is a minimum of $30. Now, after you putting that, you need only the capital. So you need only two things when you want to use Apollo bot. But other trading bots like Royal Q, it needs you to be having fuel fee. Then you must pay subscription fee of $120 for a year. But now with Apollo bot, you only need an account, then fuel fee of 30 minimum or an amount, then your capital of any amount. Instead of you paying 120 for subscription, why can't you put that money and pay as a fuel fee, then start trading with that money? That's why I am now talking about Apollo bot, because some of the videos that I talked about Royal Q, some people were saying that it is expensive, but today in Apollo bot, it is not expensive. I don't know the complaint that you're going to bring to me. Then also the question that someone asked me about Apollo bot is that he was comparing Apollo bot with U trading, but Apollo bot is a best one. He was saying that does Apollo bot consume gas fee if you're not trading with it? Then the answer is no, because you trading consumes gas fee. As long as you put, it keeps on consuming. Even if you're trading or you're not trading, it keeps on consuming the gas fee. But with Apollo bot, if you're trading is when the gas fee will be moving, but also moving, it moves as 0.40% is what is going to chop from your account. Now, before without wasting time, let me just show you how you can create an account with Apollo bot. Right, when you click on the link under this video description, this is how you create an account. Here, enter your email address, then enter your password, then invitation code will come automatically as long as you click on the link under this video description. But if it doesn't appear, please check on the first pin comment section of this video. I left the invitation code, and also in the description of this video I left the code. Then you click on verification code. When you tap on the verification code, they're going to send you a verification code to the email address that you have provided here. Now you copy it and paste it here. After you click on register. Now after registering, it is going to ask you to either log in or it may log you automatically. Now for me, I'm going to log in using my email address. So when you want to log in, you can either enter your email address here. You enter the password that you created here, then you click on login. But you can as well use your email address. Like when I tap on email, sign in using Google, it is just going to log me automatically. Like you're seeing mine here, it says logged in automatically. Now this is the interface. So this is now the interface of this video. Now if you want to know more about this Apollo bot, please check on the videos that I left in the pinned comment section of this video. Now I'm just going to take you through the interface, just marathon quickly, as we move in to make this video short. Now from up here you can see that we have very many buttons. There is exchanges, API, gas, then profit, then ranking. Now in the exchanges here, when you tap on exchanges, it's going to show you all the exchanges that this Apollo bot is working with. And the first one here, it talks about Binance, then OKX, Bybit, Bitget, HTX, then KuCoin, then Get.io, then Meetmat. But me, I like using Binance, and it is the one I'm using. But remember, this is not the account I am using for trading. I have two accounts, but this is I use always for demonstrations in all my videos. If you click on Binance here, it is going to take you to the Binance page, but that is not what we want here. Then API is how you can bind your exchange wallet with Apollo bot so that the trading can take place. Now if you bind your Apollo bot with your exchange is where you're going to put your capital, like $100, $200, or any amount of dollars. Then it is going to trade for you using this API code. Now the reason as to why you use this, you must not turn on some button, because this app cannot access your profits from your exchange wallet. So this one will not access that account. That's why you need to put the gas fee, so that they also benefit from that gas fee that you're going to put. But all your profits will be in your account. Your capital will be in your account. So if you tap on the API here, you can see that here I am using Binance. I bind using Binance, and in that video I used Binance when I was binding. And there are very many videos that you can use when in case you want to bind Apollo bot with any exchange that you need, like OKX, Bybit, Bitget, HTX. Binance, I have the video and I have left it under there. So watch that video and know how you can bind it very well, so that you don't get affected or you don't make any mistake. Then we go to gas. The gas here is where you can pay for the gas. As you can see mine here, the minimum, as I said, is $30, and it gives you, you're going to buy 3,000.0 gas. Then the last one here is for $1,000 US, and you're going to buy 100,000 gas, and that one can make you much money. Now that is how you can do it. In case you want to buy, I'm going to show you that in the next step. Then for the profits here, when you tap on profits, this is where you're going to see what you've earned in 7 days, what you've earned in 30 days, what you've earned in today, or in 360 days, 180 days. And also here it will be showing you how you've been earning. The first time, like now you're seeing this account, I'm not using it. This is where it is. But of course it would be moving maybe up like this, the way you're earning. That is how it keeps doing for you. Then we'll go to the ranks here. The ranks here is where we're going to see people who are ranking with Apollo bot. Like you're seeing the first one here, we have number 4, but of course here is the first person, then we have the second person, then the third person is here, then the fourth up to, this is what the 30th person is making, had made just today. But also if you want to check on monthly, just come and click on monthly, that who is making much money on monthly basis. So in last month, or in the month from today backwards, so this is the person who is making number 1, number 2, number 3, up to the last one, which is number 30. So that is how the interface there looks. Then also down here is where you can see the notification. Now if you tap on it here, you're going to see that notice. This is all the notifications that these people are sending to notify you on what is going on and what the coins to be delisted. As you're seeing this one, delisting of XMR, Dash, ZEC and Zen. And also here you can read everything here so that you don't trade those coins they have mentioned that they're going to delist. Now down here we have the home page, then we have the spot, then we have feature, logs, then we have mine. Now from the home page is where we are. As you're seeing it here, this is where we are. But of course before we go there, now if you want to start trading, I'm going to come back now here. Let me first go with other things. Now with spotting here, it is going to show you what you have in your account. Now this is what I have in the Binance account that I have linked with this Apollo, but this one, then the position will be this, then total PNL will be this. So that is all, and your earnings, everything will be displayed there when you're trading using spot trading. Then when you're using feature trading, also will be displaying everything here. Then when you're using then for logs, it will be showing you here. Then for mine here is for your account. Now you can see that this is the account that I'm using. This is my picture, and also you can edit, and maybe you don't have down here which says commission 50%. Now when you create an account, make a deposit of $30 and start trading. Then also if you want to participate, like to refer people and earn a commission, copy this link, copy this ID. As you can see, copy it successful, then send to admin. There are other admins who may ask you that to delete you this account or to create another account. Don't accept. If that one asks you that, please contact another customer support and do that. I'm talking what I know, because they told me also to do the same so that I get what you're seeing on my screen, but I didn't accept. Now if you want to edit this, just come and click on this pen here. When you tap on it, you tap on this. Now from here you can select the photo that you want to use so that it appears like mine. Then if you want to change the nickname, because when you create an account the nickname will be automatic, just tap here and now you can edit after you click on save. After, everything will be displayed as you're seeing. Now there is a referral. In case you want to referral, just click and copy this. After copying, start sharing. And also to copy your ID, just copy this one, share to your friends and let them use it. And when they create an account, they deposit, they start trading, like they deposit the gas fee, you earn what they have given you here, 50% of the gas fee. If they deposit $1,000, then you're going to get 50% of 1,000. Then also to pattern is here, feeds, messages, setting, all these other things are there. You can also check them slowly. Then now before I go back, if you want to deposit and buy gas fee, just come and click on mine, then click on deposit. Now from the deposit here, there is a Bitram, then Polygon. Always use what you like, but of course I would recommend to use Polygon. When you tap on it, Polygon, then copy this link. After copying, go and to your wallet, use USDT Polygon network to make a deposit. And also down here it explains what you're supposed to do. After you depositing, it is going to display what you've deposited here. Now in case you do referrals and you see like you have money here and you want to withdraw, just come and click on the withdraw button, change the wallet here to Polygon, or just leave it here, go to your exchange wallet, get the USDT, the network with Arbitrum or Polygon, just copy that wallet address, paste it here and enter the amount. Here the minimum amount that you can withdraw is $10, and the charge that they are going to charge you is 0.12. This is the best way you can withdraw money from here, because with other trading bots, the minimum the charge that they charge you is $1 and above. That is what they charge, but with Apollo bot, it is the best that I have seen. Now if you want to buy gas fee, you can come back here, then click on gas fee, and here you can click on pay. Or after you depositing, you can just come and click on mine, then click on gas. When you click on gas, still it takes you to the other page. Then you select, if you want it for $30, just tap on it, click on pay. After paying, here it is telling me that I have this because I have not yet deposited. But of course, if you already have it, it's just going to chop automatically, or asking you to confirm, so that you confirm the transaction. So that is how you're going to do that. And I am almost done with this video, but the last thing that I want to show you is how you can do trading. Now when I want to do trading, I like always using spot trading. So you come and click log into, then you must see that you're at home page. Then here it talks about strategies. There are very many strategies here, of which you can contact admin in case you don't know anything, or go to YouTube, search for how to use ApolloBot and get them. Now I also have that video. Check these videos that I left in the comment section. I talked about most things about ApolloBot. Now if you now want to start trading, there is a spot classic, there in feature classic, feature higher hedged, then feature indicators, all that. And also down here it shows you how people are ranking with this trading. Now I'm going to take you just with this spot classic. Now you just come and click on spot classic. Make sure that your money is in the spot wallet, in your exchange wallet, if you want now to start trading. Now when it opens for you like this, remember with these ApolloBots, you can use other methods or other ways people are trading with other bots to trade, or you use the coins that they are going to share with you in the Telegram channels. Now I'm going to just pick for you one coin. Let me pick for you the coin that I like most is WorldCoin. And now you can see that WorldCoin is this. So now if I want to trade it, I'll just come and click on select it. Now after selecting it, it's going to highlight for me here that I confirm. Now when I click on confirm, here now also I'm going to change to select how I want to do to trade. AI DCA, then there is DCA, then there is AI grid, then there is grid. Now me, I would use DCA so that I now set my coin. Now here maybe I have $100 and I want to buy only 3 or 5 times. I'll leave it like this, but if I want, I can just reduce it to $10. This is the initial position that every purchase is going to buy. For the first time up to the last, it must buy $1 or $10 for each purchase order. Now orders here is 7, so I must be having $70 in case I want to trade with $10. And the max order, the orders that I want maximum to be 7. But I also here I can change that I want only 5. Then also here I come to a fiat, or I just leave it like this. Then the profit taking is like this. This is the profit taking. If you put the lowest profit taking like you're seeing these ones here, then it means your coin is going to sell quick, and you earn profits very fast than someone who wants to take higher profits. So guys, if you want to change, like you want to flat, just tap here. If you want partial take profit, just here. If you want full means you want to wait up to the profit that you've maybe set here. Like I said here, I want like I said here, I want 100%, so that is how it is full. But if you set it here like partial, it means it is going to sell until it makes for you 100%. Then after it now closes, it closes this trade for you. Then also the profit, you can set the profit that you want here, profit amount. Like I want only $10. That is the profit that I want to earn. Then after you put single trading, just like that. After you save and your trading gets started. So guys, I think that is all I wanted to show you in this video. Remember, if you have not understood anything, rewatch this video and also leave it in the comment section. So find the link under this video description, subscribe, like, and also share this video. Let's meet again.